Please subscribe for more videos.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a dinosaur map and it has numbers 0 all the way to 9. Let's see if we can match up the numbers with the trains. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Do you know what colours they are?
Green, yellow, blue, red, white, pink.
Choo-choo, choo-choo.
These are the names of shapes.
Star, pentagon, triangle, square, circle.
I'm going to lift this up so we can put all the shapes by their correct name. Starting with star. We need to find all the stars. I found one. 1. Found another one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done! We found 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you help me find all the pentagons?
Choo-choo, choo-choo. It's a train. Beep, 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 beep. This is a school bus. Nino, Nino, Nino. This is a police car. Wheel, 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 wheel. This is a fire truck. Nino, Nino, Nino. This is an ambulance.
I found a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found all the pentagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, look at all these colourful dinosaurs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they're all different colours. We need to get these colourful balls to the correct coloured dinosaur. I think we can do it. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is red. Here's the red one. 1 red ball. Number 2 is pink. 1, 2 pink balls. Number 3 is yellow. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is white. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we find all the triangles now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found all the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Choo-choo.
choo, choo.
Next, it's our squares. Let's find the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found all the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 vehicles and 6 keys. Each key will open one of the locks, and they're numbered. 0 goes with 0, 1 goes with 1, 2 goes with 2, 3 goes with 3, 4 goes with 4, and 5 goes with 5. Let's try 0. I've got my train. Put the key in and twist the lock. It opened! The lock opened! Pull the key out and now we can close it. Put it back. Let's try number 1. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Put the key in. Turn the key. It opened. Take the key out and we can close it. Put it back. Let's try number 2. And key number 2. Put the key in and turn it. It opened. The lock opened. Take the key out and close the lock. Put it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 is brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7 is blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8 is grey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9 is purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our last shapes to find are the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's a lot of shapes. We found them all. So we have stars, pentagons, triangles, squares, and circles. Stars, pentagons, triangles, squares, circles. So many shapes. Number 10 is orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found all 10. Number 3. Put the key in and turn the key. The lock opened. Take the key out and close the lock. Put it back. Number 4. Put the key in and turn it. Amazing! We opened number 4. Take it out and close the lock. Number 5. Our last lock to open. Put the key in and turn it. We opened lock number 5. Great job, everybody! Look how many different kinds of dinosaurs there are. Some of them fly, some of them have horns, some of them have spikes, some of them have long necks, some of them can swim. There's so many different kinds of dinosaurs.
Please subscribe for more videos.